Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw manually in the Adobe Illustrator app in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your document on Adobe Illustrator. Let me zoom into that dartboard here. And there are several ways how you can draw manually. So what you want to do guys is focus on the left panel here and to that draw area. So you will see, for example, the pencil tool, the pen tool, and also the paintbrush. So which one you go with is up to you. Let me show each one of these. So the pen tool can be selected here or by using the shortcut N. And after that, you may, for example, change the color here in the bottom left of the pen and then start drawing with your left mouse, for instance, like this. Well, in this case here, I would need to change the stroke color, of course, because that's not the fill color, right? So what you want to do is left click, hold your left mouse and draw lines like this. And as you can see, the line will be then divided into these paths and anchors. And you can, for instance, use the select tool here in the top right, top left, sorry, and then click into these anchors and then adjust their position and some of these angles here, and also change these paths by clicking into them and changing their appearance. So that's one tool. The other tool would be the paintbrush here. You can click into it and then customize its color. And again, use your left mouse, hold your left mouse and draw shapes and objects like this. And then we got the third one. As you can see, the paintbrush. The paintbrush doesn't feature these paths, so you would have to highlight and select the given drawing and convert it into, for example, into path by selecting object and then expand appearance. And then you can use these paths tool as well here by using the direct selection top left. And then we got option number 3, and that is the pen. You will find it here. Click into it and it is going to allow you to draw these straight and curved lines. Set a start point, set the end point by left clicking, hold your left mouse to apply a curving to the line, for instance, and then set the next point and so on and so forth. And if you, for instance, close the shape here by setting the end point on the start point or the start anchor, you will be able to create a shape like this with a fill color. And that's it guys. So we got the paintbrush, the pencil tool and the pen tool, each one with its own specifics in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.